Do you want to play a game with me today? In this video, we will actually be playing a game so you are able to learn new vocabulary words that relate to travel and tourism that you may see on your next IELTS listening practice test. We all know the excitement of going on a trip. Some people decide to take the plane, some people decide to drive to their destination, while some people plan to take a boat. So in today's video, I'm going to provide you with some new vocabulary words that relate to travel and tourism that you may see or you may not know on your next IELTS listening practice test. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Miss Wafa and I'm a certified English language teacher in Canada. So before we start, let's get right into the game because I think that's the most exciting part of this video today. I am going to show you 5 pictures on this video with 5 words, and I want you to match the pictures with those vocabulary words. Make sure you write these 5 answers down so you are able to check which ones you scored correctly and which ones you didn't. These words all relate to travel and tourism, and we will talk more about them in detail, but first I want you to take a guess and see where your knowledge is. So the 5 words are tour guide, travel agency, hotel staff, tourist, and passenger. So a tour guide could be defined as somebody who actually takes people who are visiting around to the most popular sites throughout the city or country that you are visiting. A travel agency is a place where you go to book tickets for your vacation. So some people decide to book their trip on their own, while other people like to visit a travel agency so they are able to ask some questions, get some answers. Maybe they don't know where they want to visit. So the travel agency that they visit actually helps them answer all the questions and concerns they have before booking their ticket. Hotel staff are usually related to people who manage the hotel and work there. So this could relate to the guy who helps you with their luggage at the front, or somebody who works at the reception, or the cleaner. These are all hotel staff. A tourist is known as somebody who is traveling a country and is a visitor in that country, and they are exploring, they are looking around. They are known as the tourist. And last but not least, a passenger is known as somebody who rides an airplane, or even somebody who rides a car. So guys, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn that notification bell on so you are notified when I put out more videos on this channel. So now I am going to give you guys another activity to do. So as you see here in this activity, you are required to find where these words should be placed on these 5 sentences. So I am going to set a timer for 3 minutes for you to be able to find which words go in what particular sentence. So let's review the answers for these questions. The first one is, the amenities at the hotel included a swimming pool, gym, and a theater room. So the amenities refers to the recreational areas of a hotel, such as a swimming pool, maybe a miniature golf area. It could relate to a movie theater, just like this sentence says. Number 2. When we arrived to the hotel, the bellboy helped us with our luggage. So if you hear the word bellboy in any IELTS listening practice test that you complete, just know that a bellboy refers to somebody who helps you with your luggage at the hotel. Number 3, the reception was in the lobby of our hotel. So once again, if you hear the word reception in your IELTS listening practice test, then know that the reception usually refers to the administration staff in the front. since we were guests at the hotel, we had access to the free spa. Guests are usually referred to as the visitors who are staying at that hotel. The resort we were staying at included all-inclusive meals. Resort usually refers to the premises of the hotel or the area of the hotel. So anything outside the hotel would not be considered the resort. So guys, I hope you like these vocabulary words that relate to travel and tourism I provided for you. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you are notified when I put out videos on this channel. Last but not least, guys, before I sign off, make sure you check this video up above of 3 podcasts I recommend that will help you in the IELTS listening section.